Guys, good morning. Quick update lang. So for today's video, mag-update lang kami ng project namin under RLC, which is in Sierra Valley Gardens. So as of today, it's March 6, 2026. So time check tayo, it's 8:15. So balikan namin kayo once na nandun na kami. Thank you guys. Ayun, kasama natin yung ka-teammate. Ayan, kakarating ko lang guys sa Sierra Valley Gardens sa showroom. So mag-quick tour lang tayo. So mag-update ako sa inyo for today. So ito. Ayan. Ito yung showroom namin. So guys, oh, ganda na oh. Lapit na ma-turnover to guys. I think hinihintay lang namin yung memorandum kung kailan ang final date to turn over. So ito yung Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3, and then the Tower 4. So ngayon yung Tower 5 namin naka-promo yan. Okay, so naka-promo rin. Actually lahat naka-promo ng mga units natin today. The same time wala tayong spot down payment. Okay, so depende sa tower na gusto nyo. Kung if ever na gusto nyo na nang malapit na ma-turnover, which is we have the Tower 1, the Tower 2. So for the Tower 3, Tower 4, Tower 5, which is upgraded na yung units natin dyan, naka smart home features. So nandito ako ngayon, yan, sa showroom. So itutour ko kayo. Pasok muna tayo sa loob. So guys, ito nga pala yung ating scale model. So which is dito tayo nakalocate sa showroom. So upon the entrance, nandito. Okay, so malawak pa. Meron pa tayong mga phase 2 na paparating. But for now, So this is the tower 1, which is yung nakita nyo kanina na naka-develop na. Ito yung tower 2. So may included na basketball court. And this is the tower 3. And then the tower 4. So yung tower 5 natin, ongoing construction. So ito yung latest namin na selling point, which is ito pa yung pinakamababang monthly. But actually lahat naman naka-promo for this phase 1 buildings namin for tower 1 up to 4. So, meron din tayong clubhouse. Pool area. So may upcoming pa tayong mga tower actually in the future pa ito. But for now, it's not for sale. So pinaka-latest talaga namin is the tower 5. And then we have upcoming pa na buildings. So guys, akyat tayo sa model unit. So check natin kung bukas yung mga units natin. So I think sarado. Mukhang kailangan natin ipaalam muna sa ating site officer. So yan, we have a 1-bedroom unit. So it's total of 41 square meter. So ayun, bukas. So guys, this is the 1-bedroom unit. Actually, we're offering this unit na 41 square meter. We have on tower 5. So smart home features na siya. So when it comes sa main door, tinatap na lang siya. Or meron din tayong fingerprint. Kitchen cabinets, included na po ito. So meron na rin tayong provision for washing machine. So this is the living area. So ito naman yung master's bedroom natin. By the way, kasama na pala ito yung cabinet. So all of our projects naman in RLC, yung cabinet na ganito is included. So meron na tayong glass shower enclosure. Included na rin po siya. The same time, the features naman, it's almost the same. Yung i-deliver namin. Guys, take note lang. Ito kasi naka-interior. So most probably naman yung turnover namin as standard coating, which is white. So ito kasi mga naka-drop ceiling na. So aircon is not included din sa turnover. Actually gamit na lang po talaga yung pinaka kulang natin dito. So we have a balcony also. Ayan. So, ulitin ko po. Ito na po yung quick update natin for the Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3, and this is the Tower 4. So, Tower 1, Tower 2, Tower 3, Tower 4. So, yung Tower 5 nandito, it's ongoing pa lang. Ito, dito banda. So, I'm not sure kung Hindi ko sure kung makakapunta kami or kung makakalapit kami sa mga condo buildings. It's because it's under construction. So medyo delikado pa. So yan. This is the updated as of March 6, 2026. So punta na naman tayo sa 2-bedroom. So yan, kasama na rin to. So malaki po yung showroom po namin dito. So ito naman yung 2-bedroom unit. So 2-bedroom unit namin is 67.50 square meter. So let's go sa loob. Okay. So guys, ulitin ko lang po. Ito po is naka-interior. Okay, but our deliverable standard coating tayo as white. The same time, kagandahan din po, kasama na po yung mga kitchen cabinets at cooktop. Okay, yung refrigerator is not included, but we have ito, provision ulit for the washing machine. So this is the 2-bedroom unit. So ang ganda guys. Okay. So this is the master's bedroom. So for our 2-bedroom, if you can see, dalawa po ang comfort room. Okay? So dito kasi we have 2 doors. Okay, so if you have a visitor, pwede nyo naman i-lock to. Then yun na lang ang pinaka main door natin. So kasama pa rin ang glass shower enclosure. At the same time, itong cabinet natin para sa mga clothes natin. So lahat RLC projects namin, ulitin ko po, is included na yung ganitong cabinet. So this is the living area. So meron pa rin tayong balcony for the 2-bedroom. Actually guys, yung 2-bedroom namin, pwede kayo mamili kung without balcony or with balcony. So kung gusto niyo na may balcony, actually ito yung lagay ng condenser natin if you want to use the split type aircon. Okay. So yan. Pwede kayo maglagay dito rin ng mga ganitong design sa balcony. So yun guys, kung may mga question kayo, feel free to message me on my social media accounts. At the same time, meron tayong contact number 0917-399-6465. So Viber ready na yan, WhatsApp, the same time Telegram. So pwede nyo ako makontak, sasagot naman ako agad. Meron din ako pwedeng i-endorse sa inyo yung mga agents ko. So by the way, I'm Christian Malyari, Associate Director. by RLC Residences. Thank you! Salamat!